Hey fam, welcome back to another vlog by Rishlyn. Today is Holy Thursday. It's the day that Jamaica goes on the lockdown for the weekend. So we start at 8 p.m. this evening, and then we all day lockdown tomorrow, Friday, and then we can come back out on Saturday until midday. So after midday, we're locked down for the rest of Saturday, all of Sunday, all of Monday, and then it's Tuesday before we can go back on the road. So that should be interesting. It is now 1:40 p.m. and I am going on the road. I have a few errands to do, so I'm gonna take you guys with me so that you can see what the road really looks like right now. It's raining, so rain, put up a curfew, and all of these things it's not looking fun. But we gotta do what we gotta do before 8 p.m. So come with me. And oh, let me tell you, the reason for the lockdown is that our cases are, rising, and death rate rising and all of that. So Prime Minister is doing what he can to try and stop that. So that's what's happening. So I'm going on the road now. It's raining, so let me turn to the road. Guys, look who's on the phone. Say hi, Danielle.
Hi.
The traffic rules. Not cool at all. It's moving though, thankfully, on Dunurban right now at 2 p.m. It's moving. Oh, I'm now passing a supermarket, so let me show you from inside the car what that looks like. It's Sovereign Supercenter on the boulevard. Look. So a lot of persons are over that supermarket. As you can see, the parking lot has a lot of cars. It's 2:20 p.m. and the traffic has not gotten any better. I'm now on Malines Road and there is just as much traffic as there was on Dunurban. So I'm still going. And there's a lot of water on the road too. You see, usually when there's rain, automatically there's traffic. So now imagine rain plus curfew and lockdown, Easter holiday all in one, it's like double whammy. So yeah. Yikes. Another supermarket now, family card, going inside to see what it's like. The supermarket is relatively empty. There's not a lot of people inside, which is good. So I can do shopping uninterrupted. I'm vlogging and everybody's stopping and looking at me. It's always so crazy. But the bun shelf empty. It's Easter, so all the buns are gone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 2 days later. It is Saturday, the 3rd of April. So last time we spoke, it was what? Thursday. It was just as we were about to go on the lockdown from 8 p.m. and now it is Saturday. It is 8:54 a.m. in the morning. So we're allowed to be back on the road until midday, and then we go back to lockdown until Tuesday. So your girl is on the road. I'm gonna go look for my granny Lynn, and just chill till 12 and show you what Saturday looks like. So let's head to the road. Let's go. Look who is here. So Granny Lynn debut. Where Freda? Hey, people saw a favor. I don't see it. You think so? You think me look like it?
The shape face.
And the nose? The spread out nose.
Yeah, alright.
Guys, let me show you something. I come on the road and my foot is dry. It is horribly dry. Look at this cat. Say hello. Hello. What's your name?
Dandreja Brown.
And
My name is Evanian Clambo.
And what's your name?
Michaela McCarthy.
Michaela. So adorable. Alright, so they insisted that I turn on the camera because they want to see what the camera looks like. So we're turning on the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, so
We're not.
to Kingston, music playing, and it's 2 hours before curfew, so I can enjoy it. Kingston jerk just now. And they had an all you can eat, so you pay $2,000 and you eat all you can eat and drink for the morning. So that's what was happening. I'm done now, heading home. It is 12 o'clock and our curfew starts at 12 o'clock, so I really should be home, but I'm not. So I'm home now. I think I had a little bit too much at the Appleton Reserve, and it has given me a headache. I'm here drinking water and trying to, allow it to pass through. I also just made a grilled cheese sandwich, and yes, I use vegan cheese because I don't eat dairy. So it's just that. And since I drank the water, passed through some of it, and had the sandwich a little bit, I'm starting to feel better, so that's good. Some of us are chillax. Our curfew started at 12 p.m. this afternoon. It is now 2:19 p.m. on Saturday, April 3, 2021. And we home. We're not getting out till Tuesday, as I told you guys before, so I don't think I'm gonna vlog much at home, but you guys get the gist of what it is. I'm going live tomorrow, which is Sunday, April 4th, on YouTube. I'll post the time in the community section on YouTube, so just look out for that. Cool? So it's definitely tomorrow, so you guys will be seeing this video. The date is filmed on Saturday, and then we go live on Sunday. Cool? I love when we see. So that's pretty much what's happening now, and these measures, as I said even last week in the live, is to curb the spread of the virus and to stop it, because our cases have increased, our numbers have increased. Personally, I don't think that this is the solution to the problem that we have. I think there is need for another solution or an alternative. I don't think the curfew and the lockdown is the solution, and I do have some suggestions that I would love to share with the Prime Minister if I'm given the opportunity to, but I just don't think that these measures are the solution to our problems, but anyways, it is what it is. The rules are in place, so we have to follow them. We're gonna be obedient, so we're inside and we're not out until 5:30 a.m. Tuesday morning. So we'll see. I don't know if I should vlog while I'm home. There's none to vlog though. I'm just home, just chilling, editing, relaxing, watching TV. There's not much. If I come up with something creative and fun, I'll definitely video it, but for now we're chilling. And I do have some videos for you guys to see from Montego Bay. When I was in Montego Bay a few weeks ago, most of them are edited, some are still unedited, but there are a lot of stuff. And I hope you guys have watched that Rasta Village one that I just posted yesterday. That's a very good video, I think. And I think, if you haven't watched it yet, you should definitely head over there and watch it now. I'll leave it in the description bar below, and so much more to come. We're at 43,000 subscribers today, so we're 7,000 away from 50,000, and the goal is to get to 50,000 before the end of April. So let's make it happen, which means that you need to go and share this video with your friends, share all my videos with your friends, encourage them to subscribe to the Rushlin channel, encourage them to watch, like, comment, share, you know, help me to help you so that I can continue putting out these videos for you, because I really do love doing this. Honestly, I really do love doing it, and I see that you guys really do love the content. So let's help each other. You have to help to motivate me, because sometimes, you know, we do get a little demotivated as creators, especially when we put so much effort into the videos and you guys don't watch it or seem to not like it or something of the sort. We do get a little demotivated, because some of us forget upon doing it. Some of us consciously get up and plan and then execute and then edit and then promote. It is a whole lot of work, but the difference is that I actually really like doing it. So regardless, I'm gonna do it. But it also feels good, you know. Spirits are higher when I know that you guys are really supporting, and I really just want to say thank you for all of you that have been supporting over the years. Those of you that are new, who just joined the family, I appreciate every single one of you. You know, I know we're all going through this whole thing together, and I just want to emphasize that we have life. So let's give thanks for that. We just have to be grateful. We know a lot of things may not be the way that we want it to be, but it will come. It will come. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. So much time I said that. Just keep pushing, keep fighting, keep going, keep growing. And if you do have like a person issue and you really need somebody to talk to, honestly, email me. I'll respond to you, you know, as best as I can. Obviously, I probably won't have the right words, but sometimes I know people need just a forum to vent. So you can send me an email, rushelin@gmail.com. I love Nursery, and I love this community that we've been building and we've developed, and I love that you guys are loving it and I'm loving it as well. So let's grow the community and let's be one big tight-knit family. And as you can see over here, it's all about just being down to earth, being who you are, accepting who you are, embracing who you are, no matter how you look, how you sound, what religion you are, what sexuality you are, you know, what farm you come in. It don't matter. It's a judgment-free zone. You see how me just go about my vlogs and my t-shirt and just go about my business. Me I do my real estate stuff. You know, a lot of people dress up and t-shirt, regular vibes. However I feel on that day, that's how I'm gonna come out, and I'm just gonna be myself no matter what. Nah, change for nobody. I'll just do because I just do. You understand? And I know that you guys love that about me, and I just want to encourage you guys to just be yourself too. You know, forget to do the extra and the bagger, because at the end of the day, it's what's on the inside. It's what's on your inside. See? And it will come out on the outside. Love each and every one of you, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video on the YouTube live. So make sure to come on, because we're going live, and I want you guys to call in and to talk to me. There will be a link so that you can call in and come in the video and we can chat. Cool? Love you. Bye! I can't hear my tiredness though. Nigga, will nap. See you later.